Hello dear viewers, thank you for staying with me, and today I am here to show you how I am going to make Arabian style makhani. This is Arabian style chicken makhani. Today I am going to make for my lunch. So I am going to share with you how I am going to make my chicken makhani. See the ingredient you are watch here. It's called one by one. I will show you which ingredient I will going to use for my chicken makhani. Yes, my dear viewers. First of all, I will going to use this natural cooking oil and this onion, that is onion, which one I did by grating. This is grated onion here, one medium size of onion here, I grated it. Then this is turmeric powder. I know you all know this one. This is turmeric powder. This is red chilli powder, and that is Arabic mixed spices. This is Arabic mixed spices, and that is ginger and garlic paste. That is green chilli, finely chopped, 2.5 pieces of green chilli, finely chopped here, and this is butter. This is boneless chicken, but I took here 2 pieces of chicken breast, and this is thick cream. This is thick cream I'll use for my chicken, for my makhani. But that's all. So this is the ingredient which one I show you. I will use exactly this ingredient in my chicken makhani. You can note, or I will give this all of my ingredient in my description. There will be one note for my ingredient for chicken makhani. You can take from there also. You can take note. You can make note from my description. There will be my ingredient. I will note there. You can take from there also. Okay. So let's start my chicken makhani. Yes, we are here. 2 tablespoons of natural cooking oil here. I put 2 tablespoons of natural cooking oil. Make it hot. Yeah, it's good enough. Now you put your onion. Yeah. Okay. Need to fry nicely. Need to stir it nicely. If you are not stirring it nicely, it will be burning so early. So be careful about your onion, don't burn. Yeah, I will make it brown color. So wait for until it will be going for brown. So I think it's a good looking brown here. So there is no black onion. I mean there is no burning onion here. All are brown. Yeah, is it looking nice? Yes, I think it's looking nice. Now I will put ginger garlic paste. For 2 chicken breast, I will use 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste here. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Okay, make it little fry, because if you make a little fry your ginger garlic paste, it's a flavor, it's smelling for the ginger garlic, it will be coming out, and the smell will be very nice. You will like it, I think so. You will like it also. Just little time. Yeah, see, now it's mix it with my onion. Yeah. Sorry. Now we will add our spices here. First, turmeric powder. This is a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is quarter spoon of red chilli powder. Oh, the main ingredient I forget to show you. This is salt. More important things in your food. This is salt. Yeah. Here I am going to use salt. For 2 chicken breast, see, only 1 teaspoon of salt I am going to use here. Now cook your masala nicely. Of course, don't make your fire very high, make it low medium. After fry or cook your masala nicely, when it will be mixed nicely, the color will be coming out. You will see the color also, it will be looking very nice. Yeah, let's cook like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. See, my masala is done. So I am going to add little bit of water. Yeah. For better mixing with all of my spices, it will be good mixing with all together. Yeah. Now I am going to add my boneless chicken. Yes, this is my 2 chicken breast here. I am going to add. Okay. Now fry it little time, because if you fry little time with this spices, with this sauce, the sauce will be go inside the chicken, and it will be little fry, which one will be good taste for you when you will eat this chicken. Or you will crunch this chicken, the taste will be good in your tongue. So let's fry for little time, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah, let's fry it. See the color of my chicken is looking different. Yeah. Now I am going to add 500 ml water here. No, it's like 600 ml. Yeah, this is 600 ml of water I added here for boiling my chicken. Okay, now my fire are going high pressure. Yeah, for boiling my chicken. I'll not make cover it because the water it's good enough for boiling or for cook my chicken here, so no need to make cover, just leave it like this. So it will be boiling like 15 minutes or is better for 20 minutes. So I will keep this one for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we will come back for adding my another spices here. Okay, so let's do my chicken on halfway. So yeah, and now at this time I added my green chili, which one I finely chopped and I keep aside. This one I already used here. So when your chicken will be halfway, you can use your chili, your green chili here. After again make it boil for another halfway. Yes, it's cooked. It's also good boiled. I already tasted, and now I will going to add my butter. This butter also like 2 tablespoons butter I will going to use here, and the Arabic mixed spices, it will be 1 teaspoon. This Arabic mixed spices just now I am going to use because I told you this is Arabic style chicken makhani. These spices which one I added here just now, the spices will be smelling like Arabic. Yeah, so why it's called Arabic chicken makhani. The butter, the mixed spices here I'll cook also. It will be I'll cook like 5 minutes for mixing nicely, and for the aroma of this Arabic spices will be definitely very good. So I am waiting for this aroma of Arabic spices. Yes, I told you before the aroma, the flavor of Arabic, I almost get it. So it's time to add my thick cream. This is 250 ml thick cream, which one I brought from cold store, near of my cold store I brought it. Now I'll going to add here. This is 250 ml thick cream. All I'll use, just little like this I'll keep aside for my decoration. Yeah, now mix it well. You need to mix it well. You need to mix it very nicely. See the color of your chicken. It's very different now. Very different color you are looking now. Yes. Okay. Now again I'll keep it for 5 minutes for cooking this cream. Need to cook this cream about 5 minutes. I will telling you how was my makhani here. Nice. Please tell me, auntie, how was that? Okay, finish my makhani here. Now I am going to serve this makhani. Yes, only for me. So dear viewers, thank you so much for being with me here. And another one I'm going to tell you, if you want to take my ingredient, if you want to take a note my ingredient, I will put in my description about my ingredient, which one I was used in my chicken makhani. This is Arabic style of chicken makhani. You can try also at your home by the take my ingredient. Yes. And also my auntie said this is very much delicious, very good taste. So thank you so much, and I will going to serve that one only for me. Thank you. This is my makhani, and this makhani you can eat with white rice, or you can choose chapati or bread. Yeah, you can use this one for your lunch, dinner, for whenever you want. This is very delicious, very tasty. Yeah, this is, so again I am telling you, you can eat this one with white rice, bread, chapati, yeah, like that. So it's time to also for me lunch, for my lunch. Yeah, this is for my lunch time, so I'll going to start my lunch. So keep looking, yes, and tell me how that is. Tell me in my comment box. If you tell me something, I will be inspired from you. So inspire me and make me subscribe, make my channel subscribe for growing me up. Need your support, and if most importantly, if you like that one, this is my recipe, give one like please. So good luck for the next time. Take care, have fun, bye bye.